The fastest way to drain money from a brand new store is not ads, and it's not your product. It's the little monthly app charges that pile up before you've made a single sale. You add one app for reviews, one for email, one for a pop-up, and suddenly you're paying $60 or $70 a month for tools you barely understand on a store that isn't even profitable yet. So in this video, we're diving into the 7 Shopify apps that do real work for your store and cost you nothing to start. Stick with me because one of these quietly does the job of 3 paid apps and most people never find it. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and on this channel, we make Shopify simple and actually doable, even if you've never sold a single thing online. Here's the old way most people end up doing. You read some list that says you need 20 apps, you install half of them, every single one starts a free trial that turns into a charge in 14 days. And 3 months later, you're looking at a bill and wondering where your money went. So what we're talking about today flips that. Every app has a real free plan or a genuinely useful free tier, which means you can run a clean professional store without your app bill eating your profit before you even get going. Let me start with one that surprises people the most because it touches how your whole store looks. It's a page builder called PageFly. Out of the box, Shopify themes are fine, but they make every section look the same, and your pages are kind of locked into whatever the theme decided. A page builder lets you drag and drop your own layouts, so you can build a landing page, a real product page, a proper about page or FAQ section that actually answers what people ask, all without touching any code. The reason I'm pointing to PageFly first is that its free plan is honestly more generous than most. You get full access to features, the templates, and even their support team, and you can publish one page for free. So if you want one really strong landing page or product page that converts better than the default, you can build it and ship it without paying anything. If your store grows and you want to build out a bunch of custom pages, that's when the paid plan makes sense. And if you want to get started with that link is down in the description below. That link gets you a free plan to start, and if you ever upgrade, the code PFAffiliate15 takes 15% off the paid plans. Next up is email, and this is the one people skip and regret. Your email list is the only audience you actually own. You don't own your followers, the platform does, but an email list is yours. The app I would point a beginner to here is Omnisend. The free plan lets you reach up to 250 contacts and sends around 500 emails a month, and you can build pop-ups to collect emails, send a real campaign, and set up automated flows like a welcome email or abandoned cart reminder. The abandoned cart flow alone is the kind of thing that quietly makes you money while you sleep because it emails people who added something and left, and a chunk of them do come back and buy. You're not paying anything until your list actually grows past that free tier, and by the time it does, those emails should be paying for the upgrade themselves. What's cool about Omnisend is you connect it straight to your Shopify store. If you want to check out Omnisend, that link is down below. Okay, now here's the step that matters most for trust, so stick with me because this is where a lot of new stores lose the sale and don't even realize it, and that's reviews. When somebody lands on your product page and there are 0 reviews, a part of your brain says, nobody has bought this, so why should I? The app that I would recommend is Judge Me. The free plan is one of the most generous in the whole category. You get unlimited reviews, you can collect photo and video reviews, and it automatically emails your past customers to ask them to leave one. It also adds those little star ratings that show up in Google search results, which just makes your listing look even more legit before anyone even clicks. Social proof is one of the cheapest ways to lift your conversion rate, and here it costs you nothing to turn on. The 4th app is about getting found in the first place, and that's search engine optimization, which just means showing up when someone Googles what you sell. The one I would start with is Avada SEO Image Optimizer. It has a free plan and it does 2 jobs that matter. It helps you with the basic SEO housekeeping like meta tags and making sure search engines can read your store properly, and it compresses your images so your pages load faster. The speed part is bigger than people think because slow pages lose sales and also rank worse on Google. So you're fixing 2 problems with one free app. You don't need to be an SEO expert to use it. It walks you through the things that are hurting you and lets you fix them. The 5th one is small, but it works, and it's a free shipping bar from a company called Hextom. You know that little bar at the top of a store that says spend $40 more for free shipping? That's basically what it does, and it has a real free plan. It works because it gives shoppers a reason to add one more thing to the cart to hit the free shipping number, which lifts your average order. It's one of those tiny touches that makes a brand new store feel like a real shop instead of a hobby, and it really just takes about 5 minutes to set up. The 6th app is for the moment a customer has a question and you're not there to answer it. That is a live chat tool, and the one with a solid free plan is Tidio. The free version gives you a chat bubble on your store and lets you handle a set number of conversations a month at no cost. And it has a simple chatbot that can answer the common stuff like, where's my order, or what's your return policy while you're away. And here's the honest part because I'm never going to oversell you on this. The free plan covers a small store nicely, but the fancy AI features and the heavier automations are paid. If you're just starting out, the free tier is plenty, and just being able to answer a question in the moment can save a sale that would have walked away. away. And the seventh app brings me back to making more per order, and it's frequently bought together by a developer called Code Black Belt. This is an app that adds that section on your product page suggesting items that go well with what someone is looking at, with a one-click button to add the bundle. It's the same idea big stores use to get you to add the case with the phone or the socks with the shoes. It has a free plan to get started so you can test whether bundling lifts your order size before you ever pay for it. When it works, it's basically free money because the customer was already buying anyways and you just made it easier to grab one more thing. Now let me be straight with you about the catch, because every free plan has a line where it ends. Free tiers are designed to get you started and growing, not to carry a big store forever. As your list gets bigger, as your traffic climbs, and as you want advanced features, some of these will ask you to upgrade, and that's fine. The whole point is that you should not be paying for any of it on day one when you have no sales to cover it. You add the paid version when the app is already making you more money than it costs, not before. On costs, I always want you to know the number going in, and the number here is 0 to start, with upgrades that should pay for themselves later. On a more honest note, before we wrap up, do not install all 7 in one day and drown yourself. Pick the 2 or 3 that fixes the most obvious problem right now. If your pages look plain, start with the page builder. If you have no list, start with email. If your product pages look empty, start with reviews. You can always add the rest as you grow, and your store will load faster and feel cleaner if you're not stacking apps you're not really using. So let's put it all together. You can build a better looking, higher converting store for free by stacking the right tools. A page builder for your pages, email to own your audience, review for trust, an SEO and image app to get found and load fast, a free shipping bar to lift your order size, live chat to catch questions, and frequently bought together section to sell a little more per order. Every one of those has a free way in. But again, choose the one that's going to solve the biggest problem for you. If you want to start with PageFly or Omnisend or any of the other apps that I mentioned, we do have links down below for some of them. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. And if this helped you keep your app built at 0 while you're still building a real store, hit that like and subscribe for more Shopify videos that keep it simple. That wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.